Remember the last update video when I said I was going to be getting back into recording and doing loads of videos and stuff? Yeah, that didn't exactly happen, did it? So it's been a little while since I did any recording. I said this last update video as well, but obviously it's happened again. You may be wondering, where have I been? You know, where has good old Carberra been? Has he been okay? Has he been this? Has he been that? The short answer is no, I haven't been okay, really. All the uni stuff is kind of going okay. You know, I've sort of settled into a bit of a routine, I suppose, if I'm lying to myself a little bit. But really, it's just been a bit of a difficult time quite recently. You know, with the uni, I took a break, and then I never really got out of that because I've just been embroiled in so much drama recently in my personal life. It's a little bit unreal. I'm not going to get into any sort of details for obvious reasons, but yeah, that's kind of been taking most of my time, and it's also kind of been taking most of my motivation away. Well, all of my motivation to record away, pretty much at all, really. But, you know, I think the worst of everything is past now. You know, I'm moving on with things, and I want to get back into the channel, and I have been wanting to for a little while, but it's just been a little difficult. You know, the hardest part is always getting going. You know, once you've started and going, then it's a lot easier to just kind of stick with it. But it's just kind of been getting going again, which has been hard. God, my voice just went then. I've been procrastinating pretty heavily on my own personal projects and stuff. So it's not like I've been, you know, lying in my bed doing absolutely nothing at all. It's just that I've been doing nothing related to the channel. So with that in mind, and with the fact that I do, you know, still have a degree to focus on, you know, assignments are starting back up and everything, I am kind of lightening the channel schedule significantly. So I think in October I said it was going to be like 3 videos and 2 streams. Was it 2 videos and 2 streams? I don't remember what it was exactly, but that's now going down to 1 video a week and 1 stream per week. I feel like that will kind of give me the best chance to kind of get back into it, and also leave me enough time to, you know, work on my own personal projects and do uni to the best I can, because, you know, it is the master's year this year, so, you know, I've got to put in even more focus and even more effort in than I did last year. But I do still want a consistent thing. I don't want to like upload randomly. You know, I've done that a lot in the past on old channels and everything, and it's just not really something that I want to do personally. I don't think it's really something that the community would want either. I mean, you know, if I asked, I don't think they'd mind, but, you know, it's just something that I kind of want to keep to, you know. So that video will be on Saturday at noon. So we're going weekly uploads weekend uploads for maybe the first time on the channel. I'm actually not sure. Generally, you know, videos have been over the weekday on this channel, but we're going into weekends now. Because honestly, it really doesn't matter when I upload as such. I just kind of want to spread it out as much as possible, so it's sort of more even between the video and the stream. The stream itself will be either Tuesdays, Wednesdays, or Thursdays at 4 PM. I haven't fully decided yet. It might not be consistent. My best guess is Wednesday at the moment, but I don't think I'll be able to do the upcoming Wednesday, so it'll probably be Thursday. Well, I can't do Tuesday either, so it will be Thursday. But that will just kind of be, yeah, you know, the same old stuff I've been doing, just random stuff. So, yeah. In terms of what the videos are going to be, as such, I kind of want to change it up a little bit. You know, the tutorial format isn't going away entirely. You know, tutorial series are not going. But it is getting a bit stale, at least in my opinion. I'm not really excited to record a video like I used to be. And I think that's just because I've been doing the same thing over and over and over again for a little while. And I feel as though I need to kind of add some new stuff, kind of diversify it a bit. I did say this before as well. I did say I was going to diversify it a bit before, but I never really got round to it as such. I planned a few videos, but I never actually did them. So I'm going to be doing those, but I'm also going to be experimenting with other things as well. So, you know, there's going to be the random videos, sort of news videos that I do. There's going to be videos on new languages, I think, like first impressions of new languages when I go to like learn stuff. I'm also considering doing like top 10s, or maybe just 10 like list videos or something. You know, those videos do quite well, and I think it would be quite cool to do those sort of things, because there are, you know, certain things that I want to talk about in a video that, you know, can't really be stretched out into an entire video by themselves. And I don't know, I think it's worth experimenting with it at the very least. You know, I'm just going to be doing that sort of thing, really, for, well, I don't really know how long, to be honest. So what does that mean for existing and upcoming series? Well, I've decided officially that the game development series is now cancelled. That won't go any further. I just don't really want to do it. If I'm being completely honest with you, you know, I'm not super big on game development as it is, and while I do use Pygame quite a bit, or have used Pygame quite a bit, I've never really used it for game dev as such. It's something I'm sort of interested in, but not really that interested in at the same time. It's this weird mix of everything, and the series was really hard to plan, and the videos were okay. Like, a lot of them I thought were pretty alright, but I don't know, it's just too hard to plan, and I think the difficulty is just a little bit too high, like what I'm trying to do, really, for a tutorial. So I don't know. I just don't think that series was really, quote, on point, as the youth say nowadays, apparently, or maybe 5 years ago. I don't know if that phrase is even still used anymore. But, you know, you get what I'm talking about. The Python Package Index series that I have planned, like the Python Package one, that will still be happening at some point. I don't know when. Probably not before 2022 at this point in time. I really don't know. But I do still want to do that because I think it'd be a cool series to do, especially because I've been doing, you know, a lot of work with Python packages as of late. So that'd be cool. The Hikari series plans are unaffected. They'll be going ahead as normal. There is a chance that the schedule will go back up to 2 videos per week while that series is going, but I don't know for sure. I don't want to commit to that, but it's what I want to aim for, but I don't want to commit or promise anything. Yeah, the Hikari series will go ahead as planned previously. The streams will probably, you know, start planning stuff. It's going to be Hikari and Lightbulb V2. I've officially decided we're using Lightbulb, and we're using Lightbulb version 2. So the streams, at least the next few, will be, you know, planning what we're going to do in the series, you know, properly. I've already got a fairly detailed plan, but, you know, we'll just finalize that, and then we'll actually get some of the actual code and the functionality down in those streams, and then obviously I'll clean it up when it comes to, you know, doing the video. So that's all I wanted to talk about in terms of the channel as such. But I did want to remind people about the tutoring thing that I'm doing on Aries, because I haven't talked about that in a while. So if you're not familiar with that, it's essentially kind of like a voice call, like a proper tutoring session where, you know, we go on a voice call, you ask questions, you know, we work together on certain things and all that. And I've done a few sessions with a client, and honestly, I've been really enjoying it so far. And, you know, it's just cool for me as an opportunity to kind of do this stuff, because I've always liked teaching people these things. And it's also good for, you know, the student as well, because I have like this, you know, one-on-one interpersonal relationship over voice call rather than just text in the support channels. Obviously, as I said in that video, the support channels aren't going anywhere. But if you are interested in having a look, at least, at the whole tutoring thing on Aries, then I'll put a link down in the description. I'll also put a link to the video I talked about in a bit more detail as well, probably, so you can have a look down there as well. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. I just want to thank people for, you know, their patience while I've been away. I haven't really talked about anything that's been going on in public, so I'm sure that, you know, a number of you had a lot of questions about where I've even been at all, really. And hopefully this video kind of clears things up a bit. And hopefully I'll be able to, you know, at least keep to a 1 video per week, 1 stream a week sort of deal, at least for the time being. And, you know, maybe if I get back into it properly, then that will go up to 2 videos a week again. Hopefully it will. I'm not saying it will, but hopefully it will. Yeah, it's just a case of getting started back up. This is the first video I've recorded in literally about a month, so it's just a case of getting, you know, of getting back into it and seeing where it goes from there. I also just want to thank my amazing patrons on screen now. £1 a month and you can be on that screen too. And I'll see you for the next video, which will be the Ubuntu VM video that I said was going out like a month ago and it never did. So I'm probably going to re-record that because a new version of Ubuntu has come out since I recorded that. But yeah, hopefully I'll see you for that.